Good day, everyone. You are welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of Christ Church Radio. My name is Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, the focus is on taking advantage of the recent improvement in fixed income rates. Due to the unrelenting rise in inflation rate to a 4-year high of 17.3% year-on-year in February 2021, it is essential we keep track of the improvement in fixed income yield since the beginning of the year. If you missed the episode on available fixed income investments, kindly visit the YouTube channel to listen, as the focus this week is to discuss the increase in rates on this instrument since January 2021. We have observed significant improvement in fixed income yields since the beginning of 2021, which provides some comfort for investors reeling from the negative impact of high inflation. The improvement offers an opportunity to reduce the gap between available return on investment and inflation rates. As you are aware, inflation rate reduces your purchasing power, hence any opportunity to minimize the impact will be a rational decision. Towards the end of last year, several investors left their funds in their savings and current accounts without any interest due to the unattractive interest rates. Interest on the savings account is currently pegged at a minimum of 1.1% per annum, that is 25% of the monetary policy rate (MPR), and may not be accrued depending on the monthly withdrawal limit on your bank account. As the interest on savings account remains fixed, investors must seek other high-yielding opportunities. With the recent increase in rates, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Starting with Nigerian Treasury bills primary market auction results, as seen in the chart, there has been a significant improvement in rates, especially for the 364-day bill. This means your return on a 1 million naira investment would have improved to 70,000 naira from 15,000 naira if you are investing now compared to if you had invested in January. The minimum entry to participate in the Treasury bills primary market auction is 50 million naira. The secondary market Treasury bills rate for the 365-day bill also increased from 0.7% in January to 6.6% as at Friday, meaning a higher return on investment. Similarly, commercial paper investments, which are priced higher than Treasury bills, also offer higher rates, and this may be considered upon availability. The minimum entry for Treasury bills can be as low as 50,000 naira, but vary across investment outfits and banks. Additionally, a review of the FGM bonds primary market auction rates also shows significant improvements, as shown on the chart, with the 10-year, 15-year, and 25-year instruments increasing from 8%, 8.7%, and 9% in January to 10.5%, 11.5%, and 12% respectively in March 2021. The minimum entry to participate in the FGN bonds PMA primary market auction is 50 million naira. The average yield in the FGN bond secondary market, which opened the year at 6.4%, increased to 9.8% as of Friday. The minimum entry can be as low as 1 million, but vary across investment outfits and banks. Similarly, interest rates on the 2-year and 3-year FGN savings bond have improved from 2.2% and 3.2% in January to 5.2% and 6.2% in March respectively. The rates are expected to improve during the April auction next week. The minimum entry is 5,000 and interest is paid every 3 months. You can invest through your stockbroker monthly. Overall, the improvement in rates across fixed income investment will improve the performance of money market and fixed income mutual funds in the short to medium term. Due to the high minimum entry amounts for investing in Treasury bills and bonds, investing in mutual funds, which is available for as low as 5,000 naira, provide you with the opportunity to benefit from the high interest rate on both instruments. Fixed income investment preserve your capital and is not susceptible to any price or rate fluctuation if you hold till maturity, hence has very low risk compared to other forms of investment. Please ensure you invest through a Securities and Exchange Commission or Central Bank of Nigeria licensed outfit. We expect inflation to sustain this upward momentum in the interim, hence you need to seek high yielding opportunities to preserve the value of your savings and investments. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another interesting and insightful session. For comments and feedback, kindly forward to ccradio@rccgchristchurch.org or send SMS to 07082463747. Stay blessed.